Hello guys, so in this video I'm about to show you how to use ChatGPT rightly to analyze any chart of yours, all right? How to use the right prompt, how to tell it to give you the right entry, and how to interpret the chart like a pro. So this video is for those who do not know how to read market structure. ChatGPT will do the job for you. As you can see, this is volatility index, volatility 50. All right, this is V50, and ordinarily we're in a downtrend here. We're in a downtrend here, and this is a possible order block that price might retrace from. I have liquidity here as well. So we're looking at price tapping in to this point and then dropping down to possibly take out this low, right? Because this move was quite a weak move. This retracement was very weak. So, but anyway, that's not why we're here. Stick around, don't go anywhere, because this video is something you've never seen before. I'll show you how to use ChatGPT. So just go to ChatGPT, all right? Go to chatgpt.com. You can see here. Go to chatgpt.com. Snap screen, grab this image. Take a screenshot of this image. Let it be very clear. All right, let it be very, very, very clear of current price action. Let it show. Let me remove these ones. Current price action or the entire trend. Just show it like this. I think this is good enough. Come in, I want to get, because the current trend and the existing trend must show. This is the current trend here. This is current trend, while this is the current trend, and this here is the existing trend from this point to where price is now, the existing trend. So the trend is bearish, right? So, but we want ChatGPT to analyze this, give us our entry. I'll show you how to do this very swiftly. So go to ChatGPT, just upload your image. I don't think I screen grabbed this image just now, did I? Okay, let me download it. Yeah, I've downloaded it. So I'm going to come here now. Go to ChatGPT. I will upload this image that I just downloaded. Now, I'm going to tell ChatGPT to kindly analyze this chart, telling me precisely the current direction of the market, comma. Also tell me also show me, also illustrate, there are two ways to do it. It's either going to bring it out in wordings, or we can do it in a way whereby to show us a picture of what we're supposed to trade, right? Just relax. Kindly analyze this chart, telling me precisely the current direction of the market, also illustrating the possible order block, possible valid order block where price may sell from. Make this analysis very apt and concise. Okay, I've given it a prompt. Let's see what ChatGPT is showing us. Now, it said the market structure on volatility, 4-hour volatility is, the market structure on this 4-hour volatility 15 index chart is currently bearish to neutral. Okay. The current direction, the overall trend since late April is making lower highs, lower lows. Price is presently ranging around 88.8, but momentum remains weak. All right, momentum remains weak. We'll go to the chart now and see it. The recent bounce looks corrective rather than impulsive. The key thing here is that buyers have failed several times to reclaim the previous swing highs around 91.93. Let's see it where buyers failed, 91.93. Good. So buyers failed to reclaim this level, right? So they failed to reclaim this level, showing us that what here is a possible what? It's a possible sell region. Good. That's one interpretation. Let's go again. Which keeps sellers in control. Now, most probable sell order block, bearish order block zone is 90.80 to 92. 90.80. Okay. So this is where price is telling us we have an order block, right? But obviously we'll have to refine this to here. And this would be our liquidity. I don't know if I'm making sense to you guys. All right, so let's continue. This zone is valid because it is the last strong bearish displacement area before the recent downside continuation. Multiple rejections occurred there after the May swing high. It aligns with a previous supply resistance region, which is this resistance region that we have here. This resistance region. So this was the last impulsive move that we had. This was the last word, impulsive move that we have. So I'm waiting patiently now for price to come in here and give me a sell program. Give me a sell program from here now. That's what I'm waiting for. Price to give me a sell program from here like this. Till I see this happening here, then I can now what? Visibly what? Can visibly sell. All right, let's continue. This is one way to do it. It's a stronger institutional supply zone. This is a higher time frame premium area. If price somehow rallies aggressively, this becomes the major institutional sell region because 94.50, because it caused a strong impulsive bearish leg previously. Market structure shifted bearish from that region. Immediate buyers, as long as price remains below 92, market bias remains bearish. Look, you can see, as long as price remains below 92, market bias remains bearish. Let's go and see where 92 is. As long as price remains below 92, which is below this other block, we are still bearish. So we have to wait for price to come here first. So if price becomes bullish, we must see that this will happen. Knock this out. So this will need to happen first. Maybe a big push above here, and then a structural mode push to the upside. That is what is going to give us a bullish intent. But other than that, this is still what? A bearish move to the downside. It's still a bearish move to the downside. I repeat, it is still a bearish move to the downside. Let's continue. We're analyzing it now. See, trade idea concise. Preferred setup, wait for retracement into 90.8 into the other block. Confirmation, bearish engulfing candle, rejection week on 4H, target 87 to 85 to 83.8. Which is this low here. So they are saying that price should get here first, and let's see if there will be a bearish intent from here. If there's no bearish intent and price breaks above it, we start buying. As simple as that. As simple as that. Simple and clear. Simple as that. Now, the other way we can do this, you give it a prompt. You want me to teach you prompting? I can teach you. Send me a DM. There's a cost for that. It's only 30,000 naira. Now, illustrate kindly. That have to be rude though. The ChatGPT no go change that for you. Kindly illustrate. Sorry. From the above image, kindly illustrate kindly clone and illustrate a chart showing order block, showing the current bearish order block and the possible area of a bullish reversal. Can't get this video on YouTube. This is a premium video. Now it's going to give us a picture. Let's see the picture it's going to give us. Anytime you use the word illustrate, a picture will come out, or design, picture will come outside. So now let's see what it's going to tell us now. It doesn't give us clear information. Then we'll just go ahead with the first one. Just go ahead with the first one. And that will just be it. Let's see what ChatGPT is going to do. Can you guys see? Can you guys see this? Hope you are seeing this. This is the other block here. Are you seeing this? See, if price returns here, it's a high probability of a sell going to happen here. See, it's strong supply / previous rejection area, high probability of sell if price returns there. If price returns there. So if price returns here, we're already looking for a sell, like I just predicted this thing. If price returns here, we're looking for a strong sell. So guys, this is it. This is how to use ChatGPT to analyze any chart. It will give you, see, it's going to give you accurate analysis. You just have to know how to interpret these things. Right? You just need to know how to interpret it and use it to your own advantage. Cheers, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Watch out for it. It's going to be a part 2 to this. Trust me. So turn on your post notifications so that you get updated as soon as I post the video. All right. Cheers. One love. Peace out. Have a good time.